the silence in cell block C. They said St. Dymphnas was abandoned, but the light in cell block C still burned. Blue, steady, like a warning flare in the dark. I wasn't there for ghost stories. I was there for the file. 3 guards dead in under a minute. Bodies broken like paper. No screams recorded. Just silence. Absolute. Total. The kind that eats sound before it's born. The file was stamped again and again. Do not enter. I entered anyway. The corridor bent where no architecture should bend. Doors leaned toward me, as though listening. I could taste metal in the air, like biting into a battery. On the walls, gouges stretched upward, curling toward the ceiling, like something had clawed its way down. They said it was one man. An unremarkable inmate with flat eyes, slow breath, no violence in his record. But when the lights failed, he moved like a creature without bones. He bent steel as if it were reed. 2 voices poured out of one throat, one pleading, the other laughing without air. And the guards, they didn't run. They couldn't. Something held their lungs in place. Silence in Block C isn't absence, it's pressure. A hand around the world's mouth. Forensics wrote of fractures no human grip could cause. Bones twisted until they screamed apart. Yet no one heard it. Because the silence consumed it. They said it wasn't the man at all. It was the silence. Starving, and when the power died, it ate. I found the recorder, still sealed in evidence plastic. I played it. At first, nothing, just static. Then steel bending, low, deliberate, like a ribcage exhaling. And beneath it, 2 voices, overlapping. One begging, one hissing, stay. The plastic bag trembled. The recorder wasn't playing. It was breathing. At the corridor's end, the door, frame bent outward, lock frozen white with veins of frost. I touched the handle. My tongue went numb. My heartbeat stuttered, slowed, falling in rhythm with something else. Something behind that door. Older, patient, waiting. Now I understand why the file said do not enter. Because cell block C doesn't stay behind its walls. It learns your breath. Memorizes your heart. And when the lights go out, it knows how to wear you. Do you hear it? No? That's because it's already here.
We are always watching.
You've reached the end of tonight's tale, but the creaking shelf never closes. There are more doors, more stories, and they're all waiting for you. So if you like your bedtime with a little bit of dread, Subscribe, light the candle, and listen closely, because the next whisper might be for you.